video. So the chapter is trigonometry. Trigonometric functions is the chapter name. Trigonometric functions. Third chapter. This chapter actually starting with the angles. What do you mean by angle? Aryan, audible? Aryan kelkalo, alle? Aryan. So,
Yes, sir.
Yes. This chapter starting with the concept angle. Angle is familiar to you. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, like that. How do you define angle? Angle is defined as the measure of rotation. The definition is not important for us, but for your understanding I am telling you, angle is the measure of rotation. For example, OA is the initial ray or initial line segment. If it is rotated like this, OA becomes OB. So there is a rotational displacement. That is said to be angle. How much rotated? Understood. If the rotation is in the anti-clockwise direction, this direction of rotation is said to be anti-clockwise. Against the motion of the clock, understood. The minute hand or hour hand of the clock is moving like this, understood. This direction is clockwise direction. This direction. Opposite to this direction is said to be anti-clockwise. So the angle obtained by rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, such angle is taken as positive angle, like plus 30 degree, plus 60 degree, etc. Angle has a sign. So this angle will be positive angle. For example, plus 30, plus 45, like that. But there is another situation. OA is the initial ray. OA is rotated in clockwise direction, like this, downward. The corresponding angle is taken as negative angle. So in this case, the angle will be like minus 30 degree, minus 60 degree, like that. So it's okay, all of you clear? Positive angle and negative angle, all of you clear? Understood? Please respond.
Sir, can you explain the second diagram, sir?
Second one. OA is the initially OA was the ray. Initial ray was OA. This OA is rotated downward. Downward means clockwise direction. The clock is rotating like the hour hand or minute hand of the clock is moving like this. So if the OA is rotated in clockwise direction, then such angle is said to be negative angle. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear? Rakshana, you understood? Rakshana?
Yes.
Okay. The definition is not important for us, but remember, positive and negative angle is important. There are two units of angle. There are two units of angle. One is degree, like 30 degree, 45 degree, etc. How do you define degree? How will you define degree? Let me draw an important diagram. I don't want to spend more time for this because it is familiar to you. Origin. Suppose this is the initial ray. This is the initial ray. If it is rotated like up to this, we say that the angle is 90 degree. Understood? If it is not rotating, angle is 0 degree. If it is rotated, this much rotated, then such angle is said to be 90 degree. If it is rotated up to this, then 90 plus 90, 180 degree rotated, we can say like that. Then 180 plus 180, 180 plus 90, this angle is 270 degree. If one revolution is completed, we say that the rotation is 360 degree. This diagram is very, very important. 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. This diagram is clear? All of you clear? Aryan,
Yes, sir.
Shivani, Deva, understood? Deva?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The definition is not important for us. Remember, the definition I can write like this: one revolution. If one revolution is completed, then the corresponding angle is said to be 360 degree. We can say the definition like that. One revolution, if an angle is rotated, I mean one revolution is completed, we say that it is rotated through an angle 360 degree. So 1/4 of rotation will be 90, half of rotation 180, like that. So all of you please write down. If you have finished, no doubt, then raise your hands. Degree is okay, understood. Aryan, understood. Aryan, Rakshana, understood. Deva, Shivani, everyone okay. So the degree is over, okay. Degree is familiar to us. The next unit is the important unit in physics. In physics and in the engineering field, we use the second unit, which is said to be radian. The second unit is radian. This is the most important unit. In physics, actually, we prefer radian. Understood? The unit is radian. Radian is the most important unit. All of you please listen. I will define radian. You please listen. Suppose there is a initial ray OA. There is a initial ray OA. Suppose this has a length r. OA has a length r. Let us assume that OA has length r. Suppose it is rotated through some angle. It is rotated through some angle, and OA becomes, the new position of OA is this. The new position of OA is, let it be OB. But if the OA is rotated, the length will be same. Understood? The length remains the same. Is it okay? Till this step you are okay? Till this step? You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when OA is rotated about O, it describe an arc. Understood? It describe what? Or it form an arc. You agree with me? It form an arc like this. What do you mean by arc? It is a part of a circle. Understood? Arc is actually a part of a circle. Arc is part of a circle. Understood? For example, this portion is arc. You studied in the lower classes. This portion is arc. So when OA is rotated about O and becomes OB, the length of the line segment remains the same, and it will form an arc. Suppose the length of arc I measured. Suppose, imagine the length of the arc I measured. Suppose it is L. The length of arc is L. Then I am going to define radian measure. Then angle BOA in radian measure, not in degree measure. I am defining radian in this way. Angle BOA, you can see an angle here. Angle BOA in radian measure is defined as the arc length divided by the radius. Actually, this is said to be a sector. Arc length divided by this radius. This ratio will have some value. Understood? This L by R will have some value. You agree with me? That value will be the angle, this center angle in radian measure. So this is the way we define. There are questions based on this formula. This is the definition of radian. So how will you define radian? Radian means there is a line segment OA rotated about O. When it rotates, the R remains the same. R remains the same, and it describes an arc. Suppose the length of the arc is L, and this is R. Let us take the ratio L by R. that value is said to be the radian measure of the center angle. The radian measure of the center angle is this, L by R. Okay, understood. So you please write down. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. This is the way we define. Okay, you please write down. L by R, arc length divided by radius. If you have written and no doubt, then you can raise your hand. Suppose the center angle, let me denote by theta radian. RAD is the unit, okay. Theta radian is equal to L by R. There are questions based on this formula. First exercise, there are questions based on this formula. The center angle in radian unit is given by L by R. Now I will explain the concept. Basics I must discuss, otherwise you cannot understand. So now listen, let us consider a special case. Let us consider a special case. All of you please listen, consider a special case. Suppose OA is the initial ray having length R. OA is the initial ray having length R. Suppose it complete one revolution. Suppose it complete one revolution. In terms of degree, I can say it is covered 360 degree. Suppose OA rotated, completed one revolution. How much angle it is rotated? In terms of degree, I can say 360 degree. In terms of radian, how can I say? So the end is A. If OA is rotated, what happens? It describes an arc like this. If it complete one revolution, it complete a circle. It describe a circle. Understood? If it is rotated a little bit, it will not a complete circle. You will get a small arc. But if OA is completed one revolution, the corresponding arc will be this much. It is actually the perimeter of the circle having length of arc. In this case will be 2 pi r. You studied perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. So what I am saying is, if OA is rotated, one revolution is completed, in that situation the length of arc will be 2 pi r. Is it correct? Please respond. You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this case, what is the center angle? What is the center angle? The angle will be, let me write in words. The angle corresponding to the radian measure corresponding to one revolution. Let me write it in words. The radian measure of the angle. Radian measure of the angle corresponding to one revolution. Corresponding to one revolution is equal to, formula is L by R. We studied. That is the definition. In this situation, what is L? 2 pi r. In this situation, what is L? 2 pi r by r. R cancel. 2 pi radians. Let me write the unit here. 2 pi radian. So my conclusion is, one revolution is equivalent to 360 degree. If the unit is degree, one revolution is equivalent to 360 degree. And in terms of radian, one revolution is said to be 2 pi radian. The value of pi is 3.14. You studied that. So you please memorize. This is very, very important. One revolution equivalent to 360 degree in terms of degree measure, and in terms of radian measure, one revolution is equivalent to 2 pi radian, where pi equal to 3.14. So you please write down. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. If you have written and no doubt, you can raise your hand. Aryan Shivani understood. Rakshana understood. Rakshana. Okay, everyone okay. So,
So,
tell me.
so how, sir, that is 2 pi r again. We could cancel the 2 pi r divided by r. We can cancel r, sir.
Yes, r is cancelled. 2 pi radian. Rad means the unit is written. 2 pi.
Okay, sir.
2 pi, that's all. Rad means it is a unit, understood. The unit of the angle is rad, radian.
Okay, sir.
In some books, it is written like this. A small c is written above 2 pi. Okay. In some books I have seen a small c is written above that, meaning that 2 pi radian, understood. Degree,
Yes, sir.
for degree we use a small dot. For radian, normally we write a small c above the number. So finished. So let me discuss a few questions from textbook. So theta equal to L by R, theta radian equal to L by R is required. Let us look at the problem from textbook. 1 minute. Conversion is there. Okay, that is remaining. Conversion I want to discuss. The proof is not required. You understood the basic facts. So certain proofs I will not discuss because it will not be asked in exam. But I can make you understand the basic concepts. So conversion. The next is conversion. You know that in the case of a displacement, the centimeter can be converted to meter, kilometer can be converted to centimeter, like that. Understood? So in the same way, angle has two units. One is degree, other one is radian. 1 minute. One is degree, other one is radian. So if the degree is given, if the degree measurement is given, we can convert to radian. Proof I don't want to discuss, but when I discuss the example, you can understand the reason. So if the degree measurement is given, I want to convert to radian. You just multiply the degree measure with the pi by 180. Proof is not required, but when I discuss the first example, you can understand the logic. Degree is given, degree into pi by 180, you will get radian. Please memorize this. For example, I'll give you example. For example, I want to convert 360 degree into radian measure. Just an example. I want to convert 360 degree into radian measure. How will you convert degree to radian? The degree value to be multiplied with the pi by 180. You will get radian value. Immediately you will get radian measurement. 360 180 cancel, you will get 2 pi radian. 360 degrees equivalent to 2 pi radian. That thing we have already studied. 360 degrees equivalent to 2 pi radian, we have already studied. So the conversion is like this. The degree value to be multiplied with the pi by 180, we get the radian value. Let me write a few example. After that you can ask me doubt. I don't want to write more example because there are questions in textbook. Minus 60 degree to be converted to radian. The negative angle is possible, understood, because the rotation is like this. In the clockwise direction you will get negative angle like this. The angle can be positive angle or negative angle. Anyway, degree can be converted to radian. The degree can be converted to radian by multiplying with the pi by 180. 60 180 cancel. Denominator you will get 3 radian. All of it clear? Please respond. All of it clear? Please respond. Okay. And remember,
Can you explain one?
you have a doubt? See,
That
so,
minus 60.
minus, let the minus be there. degree can be converted to the radian. Degree measurement can be converted to radian measurement. How? The degree value multiply with pi by 180. Whether it is positive or negative, that degree value to be multiplied with pi by 180. Understood? 60 by 180. Shall I discuss that? 0, 0 cancel. 6, 18 cancel 3. Minus pi by 3 radian. Deva, understood? Please respond, Deva.
Yes, sir, understood.
Understood. And let me explain an important point. You know that there are smaller units are required sometimes. Like sometimes we require the smaller units. For example, in physics, the length of the unit, the distance has the unit meter. In physics, the distance has the unit meter. But sometimes meter is not a good unit. Sometimes we need much smaller units. For example, centimeter is sometimes we need centimeter, sometimes we need millimeter. Understood? The general unit is meter for displacement, but sometimes we require the smaller units like millimeter, centimeter, millimeter, like that. In the same way, the degree. Sometimes the 1 degree appear to be smaller. 1 degree may be something, up to this much only. Understood? 1 degree, I agree, it is a smaller units. But when we watch that star, moon, etc. using telescope, if we watch the moon or whatever may be, watching using telescope, 1 degree will be much larger. Understood? This degree, 1 degree is much larger. We need a smaller angle. We need a much smaller units. Understood? For a small rotation, using telescope, if you watch the star, if you make a extremely smaller rotation, the position will be changed. So what I am saying is, 1 degree, sometimes the 1 degree is much larger unit. We need more smaller units. So what we are doing is, please understand the reason also. So 1 degree sometimes is a very large unit. We require much smaller units. For example, suppose 1 degree is this much. 1 degree is this much. This 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. 1 degree can be divided into 60 equal parts. I cannot show all the 60 parts. Understood? Like this. Like this. I cannot show all 60 parts. 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each of the smaller parts, can you see an extremely small angle? Each of the smaller parts is said to be minute. So what I am saying is, each of the smaller parts, each smaller parts, let me write it in words, each small parts are, I will repeat, don't worry, but listen carefully, said to be minutes. Minutes. So the 60 minutes, for minutes we use dash symbol for representing minute. Minute is not representing time. Minute in this situation, minute represent angle. Each smaller parts are said to be minutes. The 60 minutes form 1 degree. 60 minutes form 1 degree. So what I have done, I will repeat. 1 degree, sometimes 1 degrees appear to be very large unit. We need extremely smaller units. So what is done? The 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each of the smaller angles, can you see, is 1/60th of the degree? 1/60th of the degree. Each of the smaller angle are said to be minutes. Each of the smaller angle are said to be minutes. So the 60 minutes form 1 degree. Understood? Just like centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, just like that. Centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Each of them are said to be millimeter. Understood? In the same way, 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each of them are said to be minutes. So this 60 minutes form 1 degree. All of it clear? Understood? 60 minutes. Okay, we read it as 60 minutes. This symbol, please understand, minutes is equal to 1 degree. And remember, and even in some cases, for example, not only telescope, if you are watching from a microscope, a small rotation change the position. Okay, understood. So sometimes 1 minute is also large. Understood. 1 minute is very very small, I agree, but sometimes 1 minute is also large unit. So what we are doing is, let me write it in words. 1 minute, I mean 1 dash, 1 minute. 1 dash is divided into 60 equal parts. I don't want to draw the diagram again. 1 minute is very small. 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts. Each of them are called seconds. We use double dash. To represent seconds, we use double dash. 60 seconds. 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. Actually, it is very similar to the unit of time. Understood? It is very similar to the unit of time. 60 minutes, 1 hour. Instead of 1 hour, it is degree. That is the only change. 60 minutes for 1 hour. Here it is 1 degree. 60 seconds. What is 60 seconds? 1 minute. The same thing is there in time unit of time. Understood? 60 second is 1 minute. So you understood that. So angle degree measurement, 1 degree is sometimes it is larger unit. I divide into 60 parts. So 60 minutes equal to 1 degree and 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. You please write down. If you have any doubt, you please ask. If you have any doubt, you please ask.
Sir, I can't understand the term.
Which term you have a doubt? Please tell me.
Sir, that 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. That one.
That you have a doubt?
Yes, sir.
See, 1 minute. Aryan, Shivani, please wait. See, you look at this diagram. Suppose it is 1 degree, okay? Can I divide into 60 parts like this? Understood? I cannot draw 60 parts, okay? It is very extremely hard for me, okay? In this way, I can divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts. So one single equal part, 1 minute will be this much. Understood? 1 minute will be the angle between two successive adjacent line segment. So what I am saying is 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. I hope you have understood. Each of them are, each smaller angle is said to be minute. Okay? Each smaller angle is said to be minute. So what I am saying is, you just memorize this one and this one. They will never ask the diagram. Okay? In question, the diagram is not required. You just memorize this one and this one only. Okay? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, 60 minutes, 1 degree, just memorize. 60 seconds, 1 minute, just memorize that. The diagram is not required in doing problems. The problems are very simple. Let me discuss question. Degree, I explained only a part of this conversion. So the degree can be converted to radian. Understood? Like this. The degree can be converted to radian. Let me discuss a few problems from textbook. Shivani complete ആവുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ, ഞാൻ വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. Shivani. So find the radian measure of the corresponding degree measure. We studied the conversion. Understood? We studied the conversion. So 25 degree is the first one. Deva, if you have any doubt, you must ask me doubt. So what is a conversion? Degree can be converted to radian by multiplying with pi by 180. Memorize this. The degree to be multiplied with pi by 180, we get the radian measure. So the first one is 25 degree to be converted to radian measure. The degree can be converted to radian by multiplying with pi by 180. It's a simple question. Aryan, മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ ആര്യൻ?
Yes, sir.
Then simplification is simple. You can do one thing. Numerator and denominator divided by say 5. Understood? Or 15, any other number? No, 5. Dividing by 5. This divide by 5 what? 36. Sorry, 180 divided by 5. 36. So simplification. No more further simplification is not required. 5 pi. Understood? 5 pi divided by 36. You may show the radian symbol like this. So 25 degrees equivalent to 5 pi by 36 radian. Understood? Deva, Rakshana, Shivani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then second one I will discuss at the end. Let me discuss third one and fourth one. You please try third one right now. Same way, you please try third one and fourth one. In the same way, multiplying with the pi by 180 and send me the answer through WhatsApp. 240 degree and 520 degree. Convert to radian measure. Send me the solution through WhatsApp. I will wait for 2 minutes. ആര്യൻ അയച്ചെന്നോ? ആര്യൻ 240 ഡിഗ്രിയും 520 അയച്ചേരണേ. ആര്യൻ യെസ് കറക്റ്റാണ്. 240 കറക്റ്റാണ് ആര്യൻ. Shivani, let me check. 240 80 plus 60. Shivani 240 wrong ആണല്ലോ Shivani. ഡിവിഷൻ സിംപ്ലിഫിക്കേഷൻ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ മിസ്റ്റേക്കാ? ഇല്ലല്ലോ, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. 240 1 minute. It's 180 plus 60 plus 5 by 3.
Sir, when we divide with 12, it's correct.
120 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. 2 ഓക്കെ ശിവാനി പൈ ബൈ 360 അല്ല, പൈ ബൈ 180 ആണ് ശിവാനി. ഡിഗ്രി ടു ബി അല്ലേ, പൈ ബൈ 360 അല്ല, പൈ ബൈ 180 ആണേ. ഓക്കെ, രക്ഷന, ആർ യു ഏബിൾ ടു സോൾവ് ദിസ് പ്രോബ്ലം? രക്ഷന, ദിവ്യ. Divya, have you got the answer 240 degree?
Yes, sir.
Send me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
ആര്യൻ നോക്കട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, കറക്റ്റാ. ദിവ്യ, okay, okay. 520, I cannot see your answer for 520, okay. Shivani, okay. So you can do it. Rakshana, you did not send me the answer. Rakshana.
Yes, sir, I'm still doing it.
520 is what? 1 minute. 520, you will get the value as 26 pi by 9. Then second one I will discuss right now. Till this step you are okay, understood? 1, 3, 4, okay. Now I am going to discuss second one. Rakshana, everyone, please listen. I am going to explain the second one. 40 minus sign is there, okay. 47 degree 30 minutes. What is the meaning of that? 47 degree 30 minutes. Minus sign means the clockwise rotation. 47 degree 30 minutes. Its meaning is, let the minus be outside. 47 degree 30 minutes meaning that 47 degree rotated plus further a small angle 30 minutes also rotated. It is the meaning, okay. 47 degree 30 minutes means that 47 degree rotation plus further one more smaller rotation, 30 minutes rotation. Is it okay? All of it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, I want to write everything in degree. I want to avoid minute. I want to avoid minute. I will tell you how to avoid minute. Here one part is degree, another part is minute. I want the degree. Degree can be converted to radian, but minute is no direct formula. You please note that. Let me write in the right side. You know the fact that 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Do you know this? Do you know this? 60 minute equal to 1 degree. Do you know this? Please respond. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what is 30 minutes then? 60 minute 1 degree we have studied. Then tell me, what is 30 minute is equal to how much degree?
Half degree.
Half degree. How? Just divide both sides by 2. That's all. Dividing left side and right side by 2. So dividing left side you will get 30. So divide right side also, divide by 2. 1 by 2 degree. It's very simple, right? So 60 minute 1 degree we studied. From that equation we get 30 minute equal to 1 by 2 degree. All of you clear? Please respond. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
So let the minus be there outside. 47 degree plus 30 minute is equivalent to 1 by 2 degree. If degree minute is included, you must convert that minute to degree. 47 plus half, we know the addition. 47 plus half will be, do the cross multiplication. 47 into 2 will be 94. Just do the addition. 47 into 2, 94. 94 plus 1 will be 94 plus 1 will be 95. 95 by 2 degree. So finally this one is equal to minus 95 by 2 degree. This degree to be converted to radian. So minus 95 by 2 multiply with the pi by 180. You will get radian. So we can reduce it. Try to reduce. Dividing numerator and denominator by 5. Here divide by 5, you will get 36. Numerator 95 is divided by 5. What happens? 95 divided by 5 gives 19. No more simplification. So you will get minus 19 pi divided by 2 into 36 will be 72. This much radian. This is the answer. Don't simplify further. No need to put pi as 3.14. Okay. If the fraction is there, you try to reduce the fraction. So please write down and ask me doubts. Please write down. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. Aryan, Shivani, Deva. Everyone okay? I will give you one question. I will give you another question. You try this question. I will wait for 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Similar to the last problem, okay? Convert to radian, 1 minute. Try this question. 40 degree 20 minute. I will discuss if you are not getting plus, but you try first. Similar to previous question, you please try it first within 2 or 3 minutes. Send me the answer through WhatsApp. Convert to radian measure.
Sir, can you explain this?
I will explain. Okay, anybody able to do the problem? Then I will discuss then. Okay, I don't want to spend more time. All of you please listen. 40 degree 20 minute to be converted to radian measure. All of you please listen. 40 degree 20 minutes. Its actual meaning is 40 degree plus 20 minutes. You please ask me doubt. If you have any doubt, you please ask. Are you okay? This step is clear to you? Please respond. This step is clear to you? Hello, Deva.
I have sent you the answer.
Somebody. Shivani send me the answer. 1 minute. Let me check. Yes. Shivani answer correct ആണ്. Shivani ഞാൻ വേറൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. ഓക്കെ,
Okay, sir.
കുറച്ച് ഹാർഡായി അല്ല, ഐ മീൻ നേരത്തേനേക്കാളും കുറച്ച് ഹാർഡായിരിക്കും. ഇതൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യണേ. 60 ഡിഗ്രി 40 മിനിറ്റ്സ്. ശിവാനി ഇതൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യേ. Others please listen this question. 40 degree plus 20 minutes. Okay, everyone is okay. Aryan മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ആര്യന് ക്ലിയർ ആയല്ലോ?
Yes, sir.
And look here, let me write here. 20 minute is the main issue here. 20 minute. I want degree. 20 minute. How much degree? 20 minute how much degree? You know that, see, you studied that 60 minute 1 degree. Do you remember this? 60 minute 1 degree. Do you remember this? Please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, I have sent you, sir.
Who has sent? Divya, you send it. Okay. You sent the answer. Let me check your answer. Yes, your answer is correct. Divya, then you try this 60-degree 40-minute problem. Okay, that corner, written in the corner. Others, Aryan and Rakshana, you please listen. So 30 minutes is how much? Dividing, sorry, not 30 minutes, 20 minutes, sorry, 20 minutes. 20 minutes is how much? Dividing left side and right side by 3, you will get 20. Dividing left and right side by 3. Yes, 3. So left side is divided by 3, hence right side is also divided by 3. All of you clear? Rakshana, you understood? Rakshana?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 40 degree plus 20 minutes is 1 by 3 degree. Understood? 20 minutes is 1 by 3 degree. Add them. 40 into 3, 120 plus 1. That step is clear. 121 by 3 degree. You can convert degree to radian by multiplying with the pi by 180. So can you reduce it? No, you cannot reduce it. So 121 pi divided by 540, right? Yes. You cannot simplify. This much radian. Okay, clear? Is it okay? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So please write down. If you have finished, if you are okay, please raise your hand. Rakshana, Aryan. Okay. Shivani, kittunundo 60 degree 40 minute kittunundo?
Sir, അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Aicho, okay. Deva, are you able to solve it? Deva?
I'm just doing.
Okay. I will discuss it later. Okay. Let me go to the next topic. Okay. Deva, we can do it later. So anyway, the last problem is clear. 1 minute. Let me explain one more conversion. After that, we can wind up the class. So the degree to radian conversion is a conversion you studied. Which topic we studied? Degree to radian conversion we studied. Degree can be converted to radian by multiplying with the pi by 180. Please, you need to memorize this. Don't forget it. Please memorize this. Then degree to, radian to degree. The next conversion, the radian measurement is given. You have to convert to degree. For this, you have to multiply with 180 by pi. Please memorize this. Radian is given. You have to convert to degree. You have to multiply with 180 by pi. For example, I want to convert 2 pi radian into a degree measure. I want to convert 2 pi radian into degree measure. The radian can be converted to degree by multiplying with 180 by pi. Understood? Like this. Definitely pi will be cancelled. 2 into 180 is 360 degree. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. All of you clear? Understood? Hello? Okay. Aryan, Shivani. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One more example. Suppose I want to convert pi by 6 radian into degree measure. Pi by 6 radian into degree measure. The radian can be converted to degree by multiplying with 180 by pi. Degree. Pi will be always cancelled. Okay. 180 by 6, 30 degree. So pi by 6 radian equal to 30 degree. So there is a shortcut technique. You have noticed that the pi always cancel. If you do more problems, you can understand the pi will be always cancelled. So there is a small shortcut technique I can tell you. If you want to convert radian into degree, if the radian containing pi, you simply replace pi by 180. It's a shortcut technique. If the radian value containing pi, then you may replace pi by 180. So it's a faster technique. Just pi is simply replaced by 180. 2 into 180, right? 2 into 180, 360. Remember, if pi is available, pi can be replaced by 180. Pi can be replaced by 180. Pi by 6 means what? 180 by 6. 180 by 630, like that. Okay, anyway, we can reduce one step if you memorize that technique. So this example is clear? All of you clear?
Yes.
Okay, understood. Aryan, Shivani, Deva, all of you clear? Rakshana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Let me discuss some 2 or 3 problem. After that we can wind up the class. This one, if pi is available, pi may be replaced. If pi is available, remember. Let me begin with the third and fourth. Okay. Five pi by 3 radian to be converted to degree. If pi is available, you simply replace pi as 180. Okay. Pi represents 180. Think like that. 300. And for the time being, you may write all the steps. Remember the shortcut techniques. Okay. So the radian can be converted to degree by multiplying with 180 by pi. Radian can be converted to degree by multiplying with 180 by pi. Pi cancel. 300 degree. All of you clear? Understood? Please respond. Shivani, okay le? Shivani, Aryan, Deva.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 pi by 6 radian to be converted to degree. 7 pi by 6 multiply with 180 by pi. Pi cancels. I don't want to show the calculation. You will get 210 degree. Let me discuss the first one. 11 by 16 radian. The question clearly says that the following are the radian measurements. These all are the radian measurements. So this one is 11 by 16 radian. To be converted to degree, the radian to be multiplied with 180 by pi. You will get degree value. It says that pi is 22 by 7. Okay, but you will not be able to simplify. Nothing will be cancelled. Okay, you may put pi as 22 by 7. Okay, let us see whether it cancel or not. I don't know. 180 divided by pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. All of you clear? Please respond. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
So 11 by 6 into 180 degree in 180 into 20.
It's 11 by 16.
Yes. 7 by 20. 11 by 16. Sorry. 7 by 22. I mean multiply with the reciprocal. Multiply with the reciprocal. Can I cancel any term? One term I can cancel. 11, 12 cancelling, you will get 2. 2, 8, 180, 90. 2, 180. Let me do all calculations. 2, 180, 90. 90 into 7 by 60. 90 into 7 by 60. Can I divide this? 90 by 16 is 5. Alle? 16 to 5. No, it is 80. Sorry. So dividing numerator and denominator by 2, 45. Okay. 45 into 7. No more simplification. 45 into 7. 315. Divide by 8. That much degree. You can stop here or divide by 8. You may divide into degree and minute separately, but they did not mention it. 39.4 degree. Okay. Okay, understood? All of it clear?
Yes, sir.
We may split into degree and minute separately. I will show you, but it is not necessary. Remember, it is not necessary. Let me complete it. Actually, I got the answer. We can convert this as the degree and minute form. I will show you. 39.4 degree I got. Approximate value only I need. 39.4 degree means 39 degree plus 0.4 degree. Is it correct? 39.4 degree means what? 39 degree plus 0.4 degree. You agree with me? Please respond. Is it correct? You know that 39 degree plus 0.4 degree is how much minutes? 0.4 degree is how much minutes? You know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Do you know that? 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Please respond. You agree with me? 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Can I multiply both sides by 0.4? Is there any issue? Is there any problem? No, I can multiply both sides by 0.4. So if I multiply left side by 0.4, I must multiply right side by 0.4. 16 to 0.4. You will get 24. It's very simple. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 0.4 degree how much? Left side and right side multiply with the 0.4. So I can write 0.4 degree as 24 minutes. We can avoid decimal, that's why. 39 degree 24 minutes. Or denoted by 39 degree space 24 minutes. I will discuss one more question in the next class. Okay? Okay, you please write out. Deva, please write. If you have any doubt, you please ask me. Okay?
No, sir. No doubt.
If you have finished, you can leave the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Deva.
sir, can you say how to do that 60 degree 40 minutes, sir? I'm just having that conversion, sir.
Which question you are talking about? This problem, 60 degree 40 minute, right?
Sir.
I will discuss this question to everyone, okay? Because other students also did not able to solve this problem. Please remind me in the next class. I will discuss to every student, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay then.